First, let us go with I will go with the software architecture. Okay. Currently, we will have different roles, right, in software. It's like one will be working on admin role, one will be working on as a tester, one will be working as in development. So many roles are there, right? All together, we call it as a software, correct? We can't directly say only development role is comes under software. Okay, only testing like that. Okay, all together will be called as under the software architecture, correct? Now here I choose two things. Okay, one is development and one is testing. What exactly development people will do, what developers will do. Okay, with the help of these languages or these technologies, okay, C++, Java and Python, with the help of these technologies or these languages, these developers will develop the application, correct? So let me show you the application, web application as well. Amazon, let us take the Amazon website. Okay, see, whenever we open, see, this application is developed by the developers. How they, with the help, they written the code, they have written the code, correct? So they will get the requirement, okay, from the client. They will get the requirement. Okay, this home button will be, should be here. Okay, once they mouse over on the fresh, they should have to click, get the fresh and fresh meat. Okay, once they mouse over on the fresh button, okay, then this should have to be pop up. Okay, this is one of the requirement. Okay, and then uh, hello sign in. Okay, accounts and list, this should be on the right corner. Returns and orders should be in the right corner, like that. Okay, each and mobile should be right side, left side of prime, and right side of prime there should be customer service. Each and everything, all these requirements they will get from the client, correct? So developers will develop the application. So whenever the developers develop the application, and it will hand over to the testers. Okay, before this application is getting released into the market, testers have to test the application first, correct? Why testing is needed here? What is the main purpose of testing? Can anyone say? Why we need to go with the testing? What is meant by testing? You can unmute yourself and speak. Anyone? Karthikeyan, could you please unmute yourself and speak? Yes, to make a error free app, to verify all that is working fine or not. Who are pinging in the chat, could you please unmute yourself? Unable to unmute, let me check once. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, whatever the answers you have given is correct. Okay, to check the functionality is working fine or not, to make error free app. Okay, to verify all the working is working as expected. Correct. The main purpose of testing is that we need to deliver a quality product to the customer. How we can deliver the quality product to the customer? When we can deliver quality product, we need to check each and every feature is working fine or not. That means it should be a defect free. Okay, that means we should have to check any bugs or any issues are there in that application. Once if we check, if we test each and every feature is working fine, then only we can mark it as defect free application, correct? Then only developers will release that application into the market. Okay, is it clear as of now? And see, why we need to choose the testing? Why instead of development side, why we need to choose only the testing field? Okay, I can say the people who are starting their careers now, okay, this is the best path to choose, okay, and the scope of getting job is very high here, okay, and no need to depend upon any technologies, okay, and testing will remains forever until the developers developing the application. The testers has to test the application, correct? So until developers there, testing will continue, okay. So tester job is very consistent. Okay. We won't drain our job. Okay. Until developers are there, we will need to continue with our testing. Okay. That is the reason why we have to choose the testing. Is it clear? The scope of getting job is very high. Here we no need to depend upon any technologies. Okay. And coming to who and all can choose this testing, okay. I know you are people are from different backgrounds, maybe from the IT background and IT non-IT background, okay. That's not an issue, okay. Whatever the background might be, or if you are a starter, if you are a fresher, if you are going to start your career, I can say this testing, automation testing, is the best path to choose your career, okay. Now here we have two types of testings, okay. Here we have two types of testings. Two types of testings. One is manual testing, okay, and second one is automation testing. So when you're coming to manual testing, each and everyone should have to learn the basics of manual testing. At least what is meant by smoke testing, what is meant by regression testing, what is meant by sanitary testing, what is meant by exploratory testing. These are all testings. Okay, should have to need to know about the software development life cycle as well. Okay, at least learn the basic knowledge of manual testing. Okay, at least you should have to learn. At least we should have to learn basics of manual testing, okay. At least you should have to learn the basics of manual testing, okay. If you are having 5 years of experience with manual testing, so in current market today, we don't have hiring opportunities for only manual testing, okay. Along with manual testing, you should have to go with the automation testing as well, okay. I am not telling that that 100% you should have to learn manual testing, okay. If you want to go to the automation testing, not require 100% of manual testing, but at least learn the basics, okay. But if you are working from past 2 to 3 years on the manual testing and you are looking a job outside, okay, with that one you can't get the jobs, okay. Today market is low for the manual testing, only manual testing. People are hiring, companies are hiring the people who is having manual knowledge along with the automation knowledge, okay. Those people are having more value in the market today, okay. And coming to automation testing, we have different tools, okay. The tools are Selenium, UFT. These are all the third-party tools, okay. And TOSCA. These are all the third-party tools under automation testing, okay. First, I will give you one small example, okay. For example, if we consider last 10 years, okay. For example, if I want to buy something, okay, let it be a mobile, okay, let it be groceries, okay, let it be clothes, okay, something. You want something to buy, okay. What you will do? You need to go to sell mobile or anything, mobile or clothes or groceries, okay. If you want to buy groceries, means what you will do? You will make a list of all the items, correct, first, and then you will reach to a certain place, okay, and you will buy all those things. That means you are going manually. That means you are going and you are picking up something and you are buying and you are coming back to home. How much time it is taking to go to any particular shop and buy and come? almost 4 to 5 hours, correct? In the same way, now what happened? Automatic way we have came, right? Automation is coming. Automatic way. What is that? Through apps. Okay? Through apps like Zepto, correct? Big Basket. Through Big Basket and Zepto, we can able to buy, we can sit it on a home and we can buy all the groceries, whatever we require, right? So it will take less time, correct? We are sitting at home, whatever the things are required, we are ordering from the home through applications like Big Basket. So many apps were there, right? Zepto, like that, etc. So this is manual way. Manually, you are going to shop to buy either mobile something or groceries. You should have to go in person and you should have to buy, pick up everything and you should have to come. So it is taking lot of time. More than 4 to 5 hours it is taking. The same thing I am doing. Okay, now we are sitting at home and we are buying all those things. That means automatically it is happening through these applications, through these apps, correct? That means manually it is taking a lot of time, and through automation, through automatic way with the help of apps, it is taking less time. In the same way also, manual testing, when coming to the applications as well. For example, if I consider this Amazon website. First, in order to open this Amazon website, we need to click on this URL, correct? Here also we need to check each and every feature manually. That's it. Okay. If I click here, we need to check whether this fresh one, okay, past purchases, deals, fruits and vegetables, all the things are available or not. Okay. If you mouse over here, we need to check whether that fresh and fresh meat are is available, that pop-up is coming or not. Okay. We will write them manually, we will write the test cases. Okay. In manual testing, we will write the test cases. Okay. First step is open Amazon. Correct. Open Amazon. We will get the URL. Okay. With the help of URL. Okay. Second, we need to mouse over. Correct. Whenever we mouse over, we need to check whether that fresh meat pop-up is available or not. That is popping up or not. Or else you can go with this sign in as well. Okay. Once you click on this sign in, it is asking, once you open Amazon URL, click on sign in. Okay. In order to sign in, what it is asking? It is requesting for mobile number. Provide the mobile number. And then what we need to do? We need to click on continue. See, each and every step we need to write here. Manually, whatever you are performing, we need to write the test cases. Okay, that means we are checking each and every feature is working fine or not. Okay, once we enter the mobile number or email or mobile number, we should have to click on continue, like that. If you don't have any account, we need to click on create your Amazon account. Okay, this is another test case, correct? That means we are checking each and every feature manually. Okay, if you click on search, if you want to search for the mobiles, we need to check whether this feature is working or not. This search button is working fine or not. Okay, like that, we need to check each and everything manually. Okay, that is all about manual testing. Okay, how much can you anticipate how much time it will take to perform these steps manually? Just it is taking few seconds, right? We need to click on this Amazon and then we are clicking on here and we need to provide here, and we need to click on this continue. This is just a small sample test case, but if you consider there will be n number of test cases in live projects, you will have n number of test cases. Okay, is it possible? See, if you in manual testing, it will require lot of human efforts. Okay, human efforts would be more. Okay, if you want to test thousand scenarios, okay, in order to check 1,000 scenarios, how much efforts were required? How many people were required? Nearly 10 people were required. Correct? 10 people were required in order to check thousands of test cases. Imagine, is it possible to check each and every feature manually by 10 people within 1 week? Within 1 week, is it possible? Just imagine. If it is a big application, and if you want to see, if you consider this Amazon application, okay, is it possible with 10 members? This is already developed application, correct? This is a stable application, correct? Is it possible with 10 people to check each and every feature? And if consider there are thousands of test cases related to this application, is it possible to complete testing, manual testing within 1 week by 10 people? No, right? And there is a chance of getting human errors as well. Correct? Whatever we test once, is it safe? No, right? We can't able to save, right? Whatever we are checking manually, we can't able to save as well. Okay? If we want to recheck again, we need to do it from scratch. Okay? There is no reusability. Correct? And companies has to invest more amount of money for 10 people. Okay? Investment also more. In manual testing. So that is the reason people are looking for manual along with automation testing. Okay, here we have three third-party tools. Okay, Selenium, UFT, and TOSCA. Why we are recommending? Why we are choosing only TOSCA? Why not Selenium? Okay, this is all about. Until now, we have discussed about the manual testing. Okay, what are the benefit? What are the issues with the if you go with the manual testing? Okay, it will get the human errors, no reusability, investment is also more, and work won't be able to complete, and we won't meet the clients requirements. Okay, so that is the reason we are going with the automation. In automation, we have Selenium and TOSCA. Why we are choosing only TOSCA? Why not Selenium? Okay, consider Selenium. If you consider Selenium, okay, it is at least it requires code language. Okay, at least we need to have basics of Java. Correct? Here coding is required. Here coding is required. Correct? And it is a free source tool. It is a free source tool. Okay, and Selenium will support only web applications. It will support only web applications. Okay, it will support only web applications. And okay, as I said before, if you are having 5 years of experience and if you want to learn any automation tool, okay, let it be Selenium, or if you think that you want to go and learn Selenium, okay, if you are having already 5 years of experience, okay, with 5 years of experience, okay, if you keep in your resume at least 2 years on selenium experience, is it possible, guys, for you to survive in the market? Because at least you need to learn the coding. Okay, new concepts will become, correct? And you are having only 5 years of manual knowledge, and if you learn selenium also, it will require you need to learn so many technologies, correct? And it won't be possible to survive with the help of 2 years. If you keep 2 years on selenium, with this knowledge you can't survive in the market. Okay, but when coming to tosca, okay, tosca, why I am telling we need to go with the tosca means, here we don't have any coding. Okay, that is the reason all people are trying to learn tosca. Okay, any people who don't have any knowledge, okay, any language, no language is required here. Here we don't have any coding. Okay, no coding will be here. Okay, no need to learn any language. It is a 0% coding. Okay, no, nothing you should have to learn. You should have best good communication skills, then you can easily able to survive in this tosca environment. Okay, whatever the course I am going to teach you, okay, with this you can keep at least 3 years of minimum, 3 to 4 years of experience. Okay, if your original experience is 5 years on manual testing, okay, you can keep at least 3 years on tosca and 2 years on manual testing. You can easily able to survive, because here there is no coding here. At least you don't have to learn in daily basis anything. Okay, okay, that is the main thing, is no coding here. No technologies are required. Okay, and this Tricentis tosca, this was developed by Tricentis company. Tricentis company. Tricentis company developed this tool in the year 2007. Okay, and its headquarters is located at Pune in India, and actually it is in Austria. Its headquarters is located at Austria, and in India it is located at Pune. Okay, this Tricentis tosca, this tosca was developed by Tricentis company. Okay, in the year 2007, and its headquarters is located at Austria, and it's in India. It located at Pune. Okay, from there onwards, it is trending in the market. Okay, even selenium was also trending in the market. Nowadays, each and every company is preferring to a tosca only. Why? Because there are some projects, okay, where they're migrating from selenium to tosca. Okay, nowadays most of the people are migrating from selenium to tosca. All the projects, most of the projects in current live projects. Okay, and Tricentis company having partnership with all the companies. Okay, so they are using tosca as a tool, third party tool, instead of selenium. Tricentis company is having partnership with all the most of the companies. Okay, like HCL, IBM, Cognizant, Delight, everything. Most all the companies, Tricentis is having partnership. So that is the reason most of the companies are using Tricentis tosca. Okay, and most of the projects are migrating from selenium to tosca. Nowadays, there people are asking at least 1 year. So if your people are having selenium knowledge, they're asking tosca experience as well. At least 1 or 2 years of experience on tosca as well. Even though you are having knowledge on selenium, they're asking whether you people are having tosca knowledge. Okay, along with manual. Okay, and this TOSCA will support this TOSCA tool. Here in with the help of Selenium, we can able to automate only web applications. But here we can able to automate all kind of applications. Here we can able to automate all kind of applications. Okay. What and all the applications? Web applications, mainframes, desktop, API, Unix, everything. Okay, most all the kind of applications it will support. It will support all kind of applications. And why most of there is a actual one thing. Okay, no tools are have included AI. Okay, AI means artificial intelligence. This only TOSCA tool have only included artificial intelligence features in TOSCA. These features are included in TOSCA tool. Okay, this is the only tool which has included artificial intelligence features in the third party tool. Okay, no other tools have included artificial intelligence as of now. Okay, this is one of the main advantage here. And here it is an inbuilt framework. Okay, that means it is a model based automation tool. It is a model based automation tool. Okay, it's a model based automation tool and it is an inbuilt framework. Okay, it is having inbuilt framework. Framework means it should have proper naming convention. Okay, logical thinking. Okay, and meaningful structure. Okay, and it should be easy in here. It is easy for maintenance. And here reusability will be more. Reusability of test cases will be more. Okay, and reports generation is minimal time. It will generate the reports in very minimal time. Is very minimal time. Okay, and with the help of test management tools like Jira, APHLM. Okay, we can integrate with TOSCA. Integration is possible. Here. Okay. These are all the advantages of this TOSCA. Okay. And I will show you. As I said, there is a no coding. Okay. These are all the test cases. Okay. These are all the topics which I have covered in my previous batch. Okay. If we see anything, Okay, whenever you have build the test case, see, this is a registration process. Now it is easily or understand that we are going to perform its registration process. Okay, see, without explaining anything the value, we can easily understand. Okay, there is a proper meaning structure is there. Okay, proper folder structures are there, proper naming convention is there. I am telling open URL, click on register, filling details, verify the success message is visible or not, and click on logout. Correct, there isn't meaningful. Okay, without expanding, if you anyone, the people who doesn't know about this functionality of this test case also, they can able to understand what I am performing inside the test case. Okay, that is the reason I already mentioned that should have naming, proper naming convention and meaningful structure. Okay, see, did you find anything anywhere else here, any coding here? Any coding is there in this test case? We have we have created n number of test cases. Okay, see, no coding is here. Even 1% also you can't find the coding here. Okay, these are all the this is the actual tool. Okay, whatever the tool we are practicing. Okay, and one thing I forgot, and Tosca is a paid tool. Okay, Tosca is a paid tool, is a paid tool. It is not like a free source tool like Selenium. It's a paid tool, and we need to get license. We need to buy the license. Okay, companies are buying if you want to work on this Tosca tool, okay, we need to get the license. Okay, in order to get the license, companies are investing lakhs of rupees. Okay, lakhs of rupees here. License cost is very much high here. Okay, but Tricentis company has developed a trial version. Okay, where you can able to they release one free application. Okay, where you can able to practice, and they are providing license for 1 month. Okay, nowadays they are providing 1 month license, free license. You need to request for the license. Okay, tomorrow we can go ahead and see the how do we need to do registration. Okay, how to log in and how we can get the license approval and all. Okay, but for practicing purpose, they will provide us the license. Okay, this is the actual tool. Okay, if you go into the any live project also, the tool will be like this only. Okay, these are all we will have different sections here: test case sections, execution section, module section, issues, reporting. Okay, these totally 8 sections will be there. Here in Tosca, everything will be drag and dropping only. Okay, I will show you one example sample test case. Okay, let me open this is the demo web shop. Okay, this application was developed by Tricentis in order to get practice. Okay, see, I will show you one simple sample test case how we will automate through Tosca. Okay. Demo test case. I will show you how to open URL. In detail, we will go in further classes. Okay. I have already scanned my modules. See, here I am telling to open this URL and click on this register button. Okay, let us see. I am closing this browser as well. Okay, and I am running this test case. See, it opened the URL, it directly went and click on this register button. Once it click on this register button, it opened the details. Okay, we need to give the first name, last name, and email and password. Okay. Everything here would be drag and dropping. Okay. These are all the modules which I have scanned before. Okay. Regarding to the register button, see, you can directly drag and drop to the particular test case. Like this, you need to drag and drop from the module section to test case section. In detail, we will go in further classes. Okay, how to drag and drop. Okay, how we need to drag correctly and where we need to place it. Okay, just I have shown you how it will work, how the tool will be. Okay, and here in coming to this class, okay, if you join in these TOSCA sessions, okay, what and all the benefits you will get is that, see, I will give the certification guidance. Okay, in TOSCA we will have 5 levels of certifications. Okay, coming to certification certification program, here we have five certifications. Okay, basics one is AS1 and AS2, automation specialist level 1 and automation specialist level 2. Okay, AE1 and TDS1, TDS2, AS1, AS2, AE1, AE1. That means automation engineer 1 and TDS 1 and TDS 2. AS1 means automation specialist level 1, AS2 means automation specialist level 2, AE1 means automation engineer, TDS1 means test data services level 1 and test data services level 2. These are all the certifications. Okay, if you it will add more value to your resume if you do these two certifications. These are the basic level certifications, AS1 and AS2. Okay, those are all the basic certifications. Today, in today's market, where the requirement is more. Okay, it is daily, the outside market is, the competition is very high for TOSCA nowadays. Okay, and see, if you can see, let me log into my mail ID. We are providing daily classes. Okay, through share drive. Okay, all the recordings, these are all recording to my previous batch. Okay, all the classes. Okay, and all the notes which we have on daily basis, whatever the class notes is there, I will share you through drive. Okay, each and every class notes will be shared. Okay, all the recording sessions will be provided for you. Okay, we will give the resume guidance. Okay, and we are conducting the mock interviews as well, and it's completely 30 to 35 days of course. Okay, 30 to 35 days of course. Every day we will go 1 hour. It's a 1 hour session completely. Daily it will happen from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and free manual testing classes will be conducted. Okay, if any interviews are whatever, if there is any requirement, okay, if we get any information, there is a job for you in TOSCA, we will let you know. Okay, is it clear, guys? I will help you out with the resume guidance and certificate. How do you need to do those certifications? Okay, I will provide you the interview questions as well, but it will be 35 days of course. Okay, here we will cover the API testing as well, basics of API testing. Okay, I will show you what and all the to, topics we are going to cover here. What is the course content? Okay, everything will be shared in the drive. Okay, what is the automation testing overview? Okay, what is manual testing, automation testing, what? Okay, these and all we have discussed today. And what are the main components of TOSCA? Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages? Okay, how we need to install the application, what are the system requirements in order to install this TOSCA. Tomorrow we are going to discuss, okay, how without having coding, then how we can get the information, okay, how we need to input the data, okay, everything. With the help of modules, we will scan the modules, okay. After we scan the modules, we will drag and drop into the test cases. At the test case level, we will give the data, okay. What are the mechanisms we will follow, what are the operations, what are the test configuration parameters, synchronization method, what are the with the help of Windows operations, how we will handle the TOSCA, okay. Buffer configuration parameters, dynamic expressions, what here we will use the libraries, okay. As I said, reusability will be more, okay. In order to reuse the same test case or the same module, okay, we will go with the libraries, okay. Here we will use the conditions as well. If you want to repeat the same procedure multiple times, we will go with the conditions and repetitions, okay. How we will handle the data in the tables, web tables, okay, and the Excel operations, what and all the click operations we are going to perform, okay. While you are running the thousands of test cases, okay, if any test case get fail in the middle of the test cases, how can you overcome, okay. With the help of recovery scenarios, we should have to overcome, okay. There should be a backup, right? Even if this recovery scenario also fails, then what I need to do without getting my test case fail, okay. Those and all we will cover with the help of recovery scenarios and cleanup scenarios, okay. TCL operations, okay. How we will execute the test cases, okay. This is a execution list, okay. Here we will execute all the test cases, whatever we have done, whatever we have built the test cases, all the test cases we will drag and drop and put it in the execution section, okay. Tomorrow we will go deeply with the sections, okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about the tool and how to register, how to install the tool, okay. Everything I will let you know tomorrow in a detailed manner, okay. But now I am telling you how you will execute your test cases, okay. In the execution list, we are going to perform the execution, okay. What and all the test cases you have built there, here in the execution section, we are going to execute your test cases, okay. We are going to cover the API testing as well, okay. This is all about that that I am going to cover in the session, in this course, okay. Test data management tools will be covered for DEX. It will I will give the oral work, okay, but we can't directly show you the DEX configurations. It requires the licenses, okay. So directly DEX configuration can't be shown, but I will give the oral knowledge, how we need to configure, like that. I will give the overview of the DEX, okay. It's totally 30 to 35 days of course, okay. All 5 courses means, here we are going to cover the main thing is TOSCA only, okay. We are going to cover TOSCA, and in TOSCA also we are going to cover the web application and API, basics of API. And if you want to do any certifications, all those certifications of it is free only, you can do free, there is no need to pay anything to do the certifications, okay. Just you need to log into the Tricentis Academy and you need to enroll yourself and log into that enroll to that AS1, okay. Once you complete the course, at end you will get the exam. If once you complete that exam, you will get the certification, okay. It's a free. Is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Each and everything, recordings, each and everything will be shared due to you through Drive, okay. Recordings will be shared, everything. Yeah, for certifications, it don't ask them, even though it is asking for the mail ID, it is enough if you provide your personal mail IDs. Okay, just create a new, you can use your personal mail IDs, or you can create a new mail ID. Okay, your mail ID is enough, personal mail ID. Classes on weekends won't be there. Okay, Monday to Friday. If required for previous batches, we have conducted on Saturday as well. Only Sunday we didn't conduct. Okay, it's up to you. If everyone is okay with the Saturday class, we will go ahead. Otherwise, from Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Only manual classes will be free. In addition to this TOSCA, if you join this course, the free will be only the manual sessions will be free. Okay. The fees and all you need to please check with the organization. Okay. Yeah, yes, Hemlati, if you join this course, I can say that you can at least keep 3 to 4 years of experience on your resume with this TOSCA. If any requirements are there, we will let you know. If any interviews are there, we will let you know. Okay. Before that, mock interviews also will be conducted here. And I will provide you the interview questions as well. Any other doubts? And yeah. From whom you get the link? Okay. You can contact online Vidya training. Okay. Please contact the organization. They will let you know. Okay. The fee structure and all, they will let you know. Any doubts? Okay, guys, tomorrow we will discuss how we need to register and we need to log into TOSCA. Okay, how we need to install the TOSCA tool. Okay, what and are the system requirements if you want to install the TOSCA. Okay, that and all we will discuss, and in detail about the tool we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for your session. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.